class.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
क्या कर
नंबर 143 इंडिया टीवी का न्यूज
डिस्प्ले का कॉपी में तब ना
जब बोल देंगे मैडम।
डालेंगे किसमें? हाँ, स्पीकर का खाली साउंड उसमें मतलब प्ले कर रहा है इसमें, और मतलब जो फोन अलग अलग होता है ना, अब जैसे मीटिंग ज्वाइन करेगा तो एक अलग उसमें साउंड आ जाएगा, और नॉर्मल जो साउंड रहेगा वो मीडिया का अलग रहेगा, और उस मीटिंग का मेरा जो अलग रहता है ना, तो जो अलग साउंड रहता है वो इसमें प्ले नहीं होता है।
डिस्कशन।
आप मीटिंग करते हैं अपना तो आप देखते हैं ना कि स्पीकर के बगल में साउंड एक और आ जाता है।
सौम्या शर्मा, स्टॉप डिस्कसिंग इन द
इसमें
क्लास।
नहीं ना आता है, उसका जो साउंड रहता है वो फोन में से बात करके जो इसका रहता है इससे आने लगता है।
So in the previous class, we have completed till page number 19. No, it was till 18, I think. Isn't it? 18 तक हुआ था ना? Are you able to hear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So till which page we have completed in the previous class? आपके section में I think till page number 18 we have done, isn't it? 18 तक कर लिए थे ना? Step 3.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you to do page number 19, 20, 21 and 22 for your homework. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us have a quick revision of that page and then we will move forward. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Come to page number 19. Page number 19. Open that page.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these are gadgets galore. Many scientific
Yes, ma'am.
devices and gadgets have been invented with help us to make accurate measurements of different fields. Read the information given below and unscramble the letters to find out some of these gadgets. Most of these gadgets end with meter, as they are the measuring device, so they end with meter. It is used for measuring long distance accurately. What will be the answer? Geodemeter. Geodemeter. The word is jumbled over here. You have to unscramble it and write the correct word. Geodemeter. What is this used for? It is used for measuring long distances. Then it is used for next one. It is used for measuring electric current. It is ammeter. The correct word is ammeter. It is used for measuring atmospheric pressure. Barometer. Barometer. It is used for measuring small amount of electric current. Galvanometer. Galvanometer. Those who have not filled it up, please fill it up. Galvanometer. It is used to measure the amount of water vapor in the air. That is hygrometer. Hygrometer. Then it is used to detect the presence of impurities in milk. It is lactometer. Lactometer. It is used for measuring magnitude and direction of a magnetic field. Magnetometer. Magnetometer. Then it is used to measure the wind speed. Anemometer. Next, it is used to find the radius of a sphere and to find the exact measurement of the thickness of small bodies. Spherometer. Spherometer. It is an instrument used for measuring very small distances or dimensions. That is micrometer. Micrometer. Then in do you know, one more information is there. The instrument used for measuring blood pressure is known as sphygmanometer. Sphygmanometer. Now comes the next page, page number 20. Children, do you know what are endangered birds? Endangered birds क्या होते हैं पता है? Anybody? कोई भी जानता है endangered bird किसको कहते हैं? Please
The
respond.
animals, the species of animals which are present on the earth in very limited amount.
Yes, very good. The species of animals which are present in very limited amount, they are known as endangered birds. So here we are talking about birds. You have to name it. You have to identify and name it according to the pictures given here. They are the Indian birds and they are found in different, you can say, areas. And first one is your Bengal florican. First is Bengal florican. Second picture is long-billed vulture. Long-billed vulture. Third one is Bengal florican. No, sorry. Third is Himalayan quail. Third is Himalayan quail. Fourth is Oriental stork. Oriental stork. Fifth is forest owlet. Owlet, not outlet. It is owlet. Forest owlet. This is fifth one, forest owlet. Then sixth one is Sarus crane. Sixth is Sarus crane. All of you have completed till page number 20. सबका 20 तक हो गया? Yes or no? Please respond. Class 7, C and D.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And let's move to page number 21. An imaginary line called equator divides the earth into two halves. What is it called as?
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere. Yes, hemisphere. The waters of Earth's surface are known as hydrosphere. Yes, hydrosphere. A spherical, strong steel vessel used for deep sea observation.
Bathysphere.
Bathysphere. Okay, next one. A layer of atmosphere extending 1,000 kilometers above the surface of the earth, which reflects radio waves, is known as
Lunosphere.
Ionosphere.
ionosphere, beta, not lunosphere. It is ionosphere. Ionosphere. Then the upper layer of the Earth's mantle, whose capacity for gradual flow is thought to give rise to continental drift, that is known as
Asthenosphere.
asthenosphere. The regions of the Earth crust and atmosphere occupied by living organisms.
Biosphere.
Yes, biosphere. The crust of Earth is known as
Lithosphere.
crust of Earth is known as lithosphere. The layer of atmosphere nearest the Earth in which weather changes occur is known as troposphere. Then here is one more information. The thin hydrogen layer above the visible surface of the Earth, visible surface of the sun, is known as chromosphere, has the temperature of about 1,000 degrees Celsius. Then we are here with some of the clues which are related with space. So blasting in space, the name is given. Outer space has always fascinated man With the advancement in science, man can even go into the space shuttle and spacecraft. Solve the following crossword puzzle with the help of clues to give a better understanding for space and space vehicles. So, here are the clues given. Across. It is exerted by the Earth, which makes getting into space difficult.
Gravity.
Gravity. Yes. A small sealed and pressurized cabin with an acceptable environment, often used for sending men or animal into space.
Orbiter.
Orbiter. Okay, then the next one, third. It is known to be the most dangerous hazard in space flight.
Yes, fire.
Fire. Then next one. It is in front of orbiter in a space shuttle where the crew members work and live. It is your cockpit. Now, whose background noise is coming? Children, please mute your mic if there is noise there. The next one is, it is detachable compartment of a spacecraft. Capsule.
Capsule.
Yes, it is capsule. Next, a device designed to supply and hold a missile in position for firing.
Launcher.
Launcher. Divya Prakash, 7D.
Yes, ma'am.
Some background sound is coming. So you keep your mic muted. Now next 7, it is downward position. This space shuttle got disintegrated into pieces while re-entering the Earth's atmosphere on 1st February 2003.
Columbus.
Columbia.
Columbia. Next, a garment designed to allow the astronaut to survive in space.
Space suit.
Space suit. Next is, this is the biggest rocket ever built.
Saturn V. Saturn 5.
Saturn V, not Y, it is V. Yeah, 5 भी लिख सकते हो, 5 भी बोल सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, 5 भी बोल सकते हो. Then it is a check up time before a spacecraft is launched from the Earth.
Countdown.
Countdown. Next, on successful re-entry into Earth atmosphere, the orbiter flies like an
F-18.
like an aeroplane. Then next one, this is the powerful space telescope launched by America in 1990.
Hubble.
Hubble. It is the fuel used in the rockets set off by Chinese soldiers about 7 years ago.
Is gunpowder.
Gunpowder.
Gunpowder. It is a spacecraft sent on missions to study various bodies in the solar system.
Space
Space
probe.
probe.
Okay, next. It is used as a fuel along with liquid oxygen in a space shuttle.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Now, along with the writing and filling up of your exercises, you have to learn also. इसको learn भी करना है homework में, ठीक है? Then classwork के लिए आइए page number 24. Explore the science. There are different branches of science dealing with different fields. Read the given description carefully and unjumble the letters to get correct answer. Now, it is all about the science and different fields. It is working, the science is working, and you have to, it is given in jumbled form, you have to
Unjumble the words.
correct one, according to the description given. Science concerning the study of movement of object through air.
Is aeronautics.
Aeronautics. Yes. Write the correct spelling. A-E-R-O-N-A-U-T-I-C. Yes. Aeronautics. Science governing travel in space.
Astronautics.
Astronautics. Astronautics. Astronautics. Science that deals with the study of spread of diseases in large population. Epidemiology. Epidemiology. All these words are very new, so you please learn it.
Yes, ma'am.
Science that deals with the possibility of life outside Earth.
Exobiology.
Exobiology. Then next is biological science, which deals with the study of structure of tissues, is known as histology. Histology. Then science and technology that deals with making and working of different types of robots. Robotics. Science which deals with occurrence, location, and properties of earthquake.
Seismology.
Seismology. Seismology. Science which deals with The study related to efficient use of human energy.
Ergonomic.
Ergonomics.
Ergonomics.
Ergonomics. That science that deals with the causation of a disease.
Etiology.
Etiology. Science which deals with passing on of characters from parents to offspring. Genetics.
Genetics.
Yes, it is genetics. Then after that, come to page number 25. 25. What is it about? Health is wealth, but sickness is a curse. Good health is necessary for our purposeful existence in world. Given below are descriptions of some disease affecting a particular part of the body. Using the help box, find and write the name of disease in the space provided. Now, first one is, it is a disease affecting brain, causing problem with memory, thinking, and behavior. What will be the answer? It is Alzheimer. Alzheimer, yes. Then second one is, it is a disease in which the patient cannot distinguish between red and green color. That will be color
Blindness.
Yes, color blindness. In this disease, there is bleeding from swollen gums, which leads to loosening of teeth. Is pyrrhia. Pyrrhia. Then fourth one is, in this disease, upper respiratory tract is affected and initial symptom indicate common cold, sore throat and high fever.
SARS.
Syndrome. SARS.
SARS. Yes, that is syndrome.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a viral disease which with fever and jaundice transmitted by mosquito and is often fatal.
Yellow fever.
Yellow fever. It is a disease in which muscles become weak.
Myopathy.
Myopathy. Myopathy.
It will be myopathy. Myopathy. It is a fungal foot condition affecting the skin between the toes.
Athlete's foot.
Yes, athlete's foot. It is a disease in which the patient cannot distinguish. This we have done, 7th we have done. एक और आपका है, it is a disease that makes bones easy to break. That will be
osteoporosis.
Yes, it will be osteoporosis. So you will write here according to their sequence in the space provided below. Clear? Now, all of you have just collected the news from this week.
Yes, ma'am. I have collected. Ma'am, Gaurav Kumar.
This we have done. In book we have completed our work. You will complete page number 26, 27 and 28 for your homework. ये आप homework में कर लीजिएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Gaurav Kumar. Yes, ma'am. Weekly Gaurav Kumar. First India and
screen open करो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have one. First, India angry over Kashmir-Palestine comparison by United Nations General Assembly President. Second, Emmanuel Macron asked for forgiveness for Rwanda genocide when over about 10 lakh people died. Third, India and France refused to vote against Israel in United Nations General Assembly vote. Fourth, Sanjay Dutt became first actor to get golden visa of Dubai. Fifth, Bangladesh surpassed India in per capita income. Sixth, China refused to pick up of America's call. Ma'am, done.
Okay, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. कोई और बच्चा? Is there anybody more ready for the this news? कोई और नोट किया है तो बताइए. I have given work to all the whole class, not only one student. Okay, then let's have a revision. कुछ revision करते हैं हम लोग.
Ma'am, some students have raised their hand.
What do you want?
Ma'am, some students have raised their hands.
They have raised.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayank Raj. Mayank.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
Ma'am, journalist who want of Bhopal has a tragic deeds of a COVID-19 complication. Government asked social media to remove a reference to Indian variant of COVID-19 reports. UP police alleged beat 17-year-old death for stealing vegetable during curfew. Mumbai born a Ruben brother, second richest in UK. Hindas third in 2020 reach list. Power in workplace cannot be abused. Microsoft get in allow Bill Gates. Arrest of a create capitalist of a cliff. India reports 257,000 new COVID-19 cases. Death remain over 4,000 for second day. Odisha capital of Bhubaneswar witness of zero shadow days is piece of surface. India COVID-19 vaccine coverage may be under 35% by 2020 in the IMF. A government opened vaccination for all adults. Deposit less vaccine stocks SLL official. I'm done.
Okay, very good. Krish Raj. Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए बोलिए. आप अपना न्यूज़ कलेक्ट किए हैं.
Indians to be vaccinated by December, says Javadekar, accuses Rahul for fueling fears. Bat found in US bound Air India flight plane returns to Delhi. Cyclone Yas. PM Modi announces rupees 1,000 crore for Odisha, Bengal and Jharkhand. France detects first case of Indian COVID-19 variant. 3 French nationals found infected. Suspension of scheduled international passengers flight extended till June 30. PM visits Odisha, Bengal to review damage done by Cyclone Yas. Announces relief package. Ma'am, हो गया.
Okay. Good work. Next is
Yes,
Divya
ma'am.
Prakash.
Ma'am.
Divya
Yes, ma'am.
Prakash.
India logs lowest daily COVID cases rise in 45 days. Recovery rate at 90.80%. India and China border issue. Burma camp, Afghanistan discussed at Jaisankar. Covaxin production is to be reached on 10 crore doses per month by September. Jammu and Kashmir, Hizbul Mujahideen terrorists arrested following joint operation by security forces in Kulgam. Petrol price breaches at ₹100 mark in Mumbai, and diesel is at ₹92.17. Noida targets to become India's first fully vaccinated against COVID. Cyclone Yas, Indian Navy relief teams scale up efforts in affected areas of Odisha. Yes, ma'am.
So it's a very good effort, children. All of you are participating. I want more participation. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे participate करने चाहिए. और आप लोग को इसमें that will give you a benefit and you will have a developer habit of reading. और आपको आसपास में क्या हो रहा है उसकी जानकारी आपको मिलेगी. So please, all of you get your news collected every in that week, and we will have that session. Okay. Now, are you all learning the previous pages? Previous page याद भी कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
तो थोड़ा हम लोग देख लेते हैं. बुक बंद करिए आप लोग. What is the word given in India on the this main
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
according to Indian language? So what is the identity given to these persons? A sure formula of success that is known as
Mantra.
mantra. Work or duty?
Ma'am,
Karma.
karma.
Yes, it is karma. A spicy Indian dish?
Curry.
Ma'am, curry.
Yes. Next is you have to name the author of these
Okay,
books.
ma'am.
Train to Pakistan.
Ma'am, Train to Pakistan book is written by
Kushwant Singh.
Kushwant Singh.
Khushwant
Yes.
Singh.
Yes.
Ma'am.
My
Yes,
country,
ma'am.
my life.
Ma'am, L.K. Advani.
L.K.
Yes.
Advani. L.K. Advani, ma'am.
Umbrella. Blue umbrella.
Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin Bond.
Immortals of Meluha.
Amish
Amish Tripathi.
चलिए ओके ठीक है. आप लोग इसको लर्न करते रहिएगा. And do you have any problem in any of the ये pages which we have discussed? कोई और दिक्कत है?
No, ma'am.
So next class homework is to complete from page number 26 to 30.
Okay.
26 से not 30, 29 तक. And learn from page number 5 to 15.
Ma'am,
Clear?
can you tell more about night writing?
Pardon? क्या? क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो?
Ma'am, more about night writing.
Night writing.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है? Which context you are talking about?
Ma'am, page number 18, Step to Fame. Do you know?
Oh. अच्छा हाँ. Night writing is a method of sending secret message by punching dot marks on the thick papers, which can be read by people in dark. This is a different type of script. एक अलग तरह का स्क्रिप्ट डेवलप किया जाता है जिसमें डॉट मार्क्स होता है थिक पेपर पे. और you can compare it with braille system. ब्रेल सिस्टम से कंपेयर कर सकते हो. ये थिक पेपर पर डॉटेड उभरा हुआ रहता है और इसको बाय सेंस ऑफ टचिंग पीपल कैन रीड दैट लैंग्वेज. वो ब्रेल सिस्टम में होता है. और आई थिंक इट इज ऑल्सो